Nationwide News understands that the land dispute that resulted in the homes of more than 30 families being demolished in Cooper's Pen, North Trelawny on Tuesday began 19 years ago in 2007. The area of land in question is called Orange Grove. Davies reports.
The Orange Grove property in Cooper's Pen, North Trelawny, is owned by New Falmouth Resorts Limited. In 2007, company chairman James Chisholm filed a lawsuit against 99 individuals who were occupying the land without permission. In 2010, Supreme Court Justice Donald McIntosh ruled in favor of New Falmouth Resorts. The court ordered an immediate recovery of possession and awarded the company $50,000 in damages against each defendant for trespassing. The occupants later sought political intervention in 2012 under the PNP administration through the then Minister of Housing, Dr. Omar Davies, and Minister without portfolio, Dr. Morais. The then PNP government declared the Orange Grove land an improvement area under Section 6 of the Housing Act. This was done to facilitate government acquisition of the property and possible regularization of the squatters through the Housing Agency of Jamaica, HAJ. It's understood that the government's attorneys later returned to court seeking an injunction and a stay of the existing eviction order. Justice McIntosh rejected that application. He described it as an attempt to pervert the course of justice and an abuse of the process of the court. Information reaching our news center is that a further attempt by the Ministry of Housing to block evictions was dismissed in 2014 by Supreme Court Justice Lennox Campbell. The matter proceeded to the Court of Appeal, which, in May 2016, upheld the rulings against the government. It's understood that despite the legal victories secured by New Falmouth Resorts, the occupation of the property increased during and after the court proceedings. This made it difficult to enforce eviction orders against large squatter settlements. In the early pre-dawn hours of Tuesday, August 11, a tractor rolled into Cooper's Pen and bulldozed the homes of more than 30 families living on the property. Member of Parliament for North Trelawny, Tova Hamilton, says New Falmouth Resorts received a court order that paved the way for the demolition.
The land is owned by New Falmouth Resorts Limited. That's the name that's on the certificate of title. That much I do know because I pulled that down from the NLA website this morning. What is also on it is a caveat that was lodged by the Minister of Housing in 2012 claiming equitable interest in the property. I was told that there was an order from the court that was recently granted that was used to do the demolition today. I have a copy of the order. It is not a demolition order, but a demolition exercise was done today without giving persons any notice of this exercise taking place this morning.
Davies for Nationwide News.